What's up guys, Shadetree Surgeon here, back with yet another Hare Scramble video, and this one's the Nature Coast Hare Scramble. Now, this one's going to be a little different from the Hare Scramble videos that you guys are used to. You're used to seeing me come out and say, you know, here's maybe some parts I'm putting on the bike, here's my day before, here's me setting up camp. Well, I did do all that stuff for this video, so good news and bad news. I'll give you the bad news first. You see, I did film everything leading up to the race, and it was another one of those races where I actually worked the night before. It was a gay pride parade event in Ybor City. It was actually a really cool night. I got some great footage on the camera of me bartending and people who came into the bar. I got some cool footage of me putting a couple of parts on the bike. Just really awesome stuff. And of course, I filmed the whole ordeal of me working a 14-hour shift. Then after my 14-hour shift, driving directly to the racetrack and basically suiting up right then and jumping into the practice lap. It was pretty crazy, and I thought it made for a really great video, and I accidentally deleted all of it. Needless to say, that's why this race video has taken a little longer to come out, because just since deleting all that extra footage, it really just sucked the fight right out of me for making these videos. I work really hard to make these race videos, and I work really hard to make them good, so deleting all this stuff that I was really excited about putting together and editing up for you guys, that was a real bummer. But on to the good news. This was the best race I've ever done. It was by far the best I've ever ridden a motorcycle during a race. I felt like I was faster than I've ever been. I was more competitive than I've ever been. For the very first time in a race, I actually felt like I was racing. Every race before this one, I've kind of felt like I was just basically participating. You know, I was showing up and basically racing against myself to make sure I finished. And while that's all well and good and a lot of fun, I mean, you want to get better. The whole point of me racing and continuing to do this is to at some point get competitive, right? And this was the first time that I actually felt competitive. So again, great race. Just bummed out that I deleted all the video. But, well, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to include more of the race. So let's just jump right into the race footage. I've got a lot more of it in this video than you guys would normally see, and since I felt so good about this race, that's what we're going to focus on. Huge, huge, huge thanks to my dirt bike mentor and very good friend, Ty. You can follow him on Instagram. You can follow him on YouTube. I have all his links down below. I owe him a gigantic debt for shaping me up to a point where I can actually feel like I'm starting to get competitive in races. And it was his encouragement at the beginning of this race that I really pinned that me being competitive on. You see, at the beginning of this race, he looked over at me, he said, "Josh, my goal in this race is to lap you." While we were all dressed up in our race gear, that's exactly what he said to me. He said, "Josh, I'm gonna fucking lap you. So now it's up to you to race hard enough that I don't lap you, because that's my goal." And I don't know, that just lit a fire under my ass, even though that means he has to ride really well, because basically he's saying, like, you have to be so slow that I come around you and lap you, which he has done in every other race leading up to this. I just said, no fucking way, man. I don't care what I do, I'm gonna try my fucking hardest to make sure that Ty doesn't lap me. Again, he downplays it all the time, but everybody should have someone like Ty in their life when they're getting into dirt bikes. This guy has been an absolute blessing for me. Make sure you follow his YouTube channel. Make sure you follow his Instagram. Tell Ty what's up from Shadetree Surgeon, and tell him thanks from me too, because he's a big reason that these videos are actually happening in the first place. But enough jaw-jacking. Let's get into the race.
10 seconds!
All right. All right, bud. All right. You're in it. You're out of the gate. You're through the first couple turns, and you haven't crashed yet. Just run your first lap. If the guys who are gonna pass you now. It's a long race. Don't be a hero in the first lap, bud. So if Ty's goal is to catch you, my goal is to not let him catch me. I don't think that's gonna happen, but that's gonna go ahead and be today's goal. Fuck finishing. Well, no, I'm gonna try to finish. But screw what place I come in. I'm just gonna try to not let Ty catch me. Good pass, whoever that is, man. Good job, man. They got right around me. Remember, this is an endurance race, not a fucking sprint. And holy crap, I can't see nothing. I want to go fast in these, but I want to go so fast that some of these dudes who are trying to get around me can't. Like you're going to go that fast. But still, I don't want to get in their way. Come on. More speed, more brakes. Come into it hot. That's the way to do it. Doesn't matter if you take the corner at the same speed you have been taking them. Just come in it hot and leave it hot. At least you can do that much. I made myself a promise. I'm gonna go to the top of third gear, and I ain't going no faster than that. Whoa. Getting slippery there, bud. I do not have the skill necessary to leave third gear. So don't do it. That's my rule for this open section because this shit freaks me out. Besides, you can go plenty fast enough to get hurt in third gear. They're double teaming me. I ain't nothing but an obstacle for these guys. Careful when you can't see. This is exciting. I mean, I'm doing nothing but getting past, but it sure is exciting. It's a race. It's a race. Man, when there's a bunch of people around me, even when they're passing me, it's just nice to feel included. Thanks for letting me play, guys. Almost lost the ass in there. Don't do that, okay? Go around me. Where's the cameraman there? That was my air. And as predicted, since I worked Gay Pride last night, and sorry guys, but I work for tips. So even though I knew I had a race today, I still put a bunch of pomade in my hair, and I'm paying the price for it now. Hey, man. Man's got to make a living, all right? Tips from gay dudes still spend the same, all right? Don't hurt my feelings. Oh, shit. I hope that guy's all right. You all right? Just don't get too cocksure yet, motherfucker. You ain't even got to the roots yet. Remember, I said they was worse. I think this is it. Be fucking careful. Remember, like Ty said, if you can go in a straight line, go in a fucking straight line. And make it easy on yourself. I'm just gonna putt through this on third gear. I don't want to give it too much power. It's when you fuck yourself up by spinning the rear tire on a root. And just letting that thing slip right out from underneath you. That is not gonna be me today. I'm ready and prepared. I'm not gonna fucking let that happen. Whew. That one had a little lip that time. Remember, it's steep down here. And off camber. Whoa! Again and again I say it, that will not show up how steep that is on camera. Just get through these roots, bud. There's gonna be people who crash through this. I don't care how fast they are. If they crash, they're gonna take longer than you. Just look at them for 1 second and I almost fell down. Pay attention. Don't stall. Don't fall. Hey, you're already fucking catching up to people. Why not fucking up in the roots? I mean, that won't last long, but still. Yeah, here we are doing open section. Hey, you can have that pass back now. I don't know why. Why are you getting in front of this guy? You do not need to be in front of him. Whatever, he can fucking pass you back then. I pass him. It's not like I fucking didn't, so he can pass me back. It's part of what makes racing fun, right? I hope. Whoa. Whoa. You ain't gonna stay in front long like that. Remember what Ty said about your rear brake? Don't even worry about it. Just feather the front. Go a gear high. And just fucking float through this shit. Keep your toes in, too. There he goes. Well, I hope I wasn't too much of a pain in the ass for you, bud. Come on. I did pretty good through the fucking woods, man. If I can just keep on top of my shit through these open sections, maybe Ty won't catch me. All right, it's gonna be a root section. There's trees. Oh, right over the worst part, you fucking idiot. So I don't know how purple my fingers are gonna be by the time I'm done with this race, but at least my palms feel good with these Risk race protectors. Oh shit. Shit, man. I hope he's all right. That looked like he was down for the count on that one. It's a reminder, people get fucking hurt doing this, dude. Hurt bad, too. This guy's got the right idea. Take the easy line. Now I just gotta do it when I'm not actually fucking following somebody. Pick the easy line on your own, dipshit. Come on. You don't pass somebody by pacing them. Pass them by going faster than they are. Talking mud. Ha! Made it through one time. Alright, bud. Single track. Float through it. No rear brake. Just fucking float through it, man. Oh, almost took me out there. I've never had my hand ripped off the bike before. That was weird. Let's not do that again. There's a guy behind me, but he ain't revving his engine yet, so maybe he's not that much faster than me, and he's just waiting for the opportune time. Lost sight of the guy I was trying to pass. Oh well. I'm pretty sure the guy behind me is ready to get by me too. Oh well, it's all good. Kept up with him for a little while. It's a long race. Ha ha! Did it. Did it. Right on, man. That makes me happy. Stay on the bike, man. This is fucking Route City, boy. No rear brake, that's what Ty said. Come on. The second you use the rear brake, you start to fall behind. He's fucking right about that shit. Fucking panic. Man, I really wish Boba Fett would come out and do this with me. This in here is exactly the kind of shit he loves. And it's like perfect for that free ride 250 he has. Made for shit like this. Short wheelbase, light. Ooh. Ooh, my eyes are burning. My eyes are burning, and boy, I need a fucking drink. Yes. I am happy. Not with that. Fucked up that turn. This guy's breathing down my neck, too. I think Ty's probably gonna pass me eventually, but I'm gonna make his ass fucking work for it. Oh, picturing you were sitting down with your gut flapping around. Damn it. That's no good. The guy is probably definitely faster than me. But you gotta try. I can't just fucking give up and let every dude by, right? I can't just fucking give up. I gotta try to keep a lead or else it ain't fucking racing, is it? I hope he's not back there just like cussing my fucking name. There he goes. Woo! Ha ha! How's Ty's dad there? What a dude, man. What a dude. Him and his dad and Amber. Ooh, cutting inside too hard on that one. Don't lose it. You can still catch up to this guy in the tight woods if you're better than he is there. I'm not sure. He's not even my class, but still fun to race, right? That's the whole point. Braver than me, I ain't jumping that shit. I'll jump that one. Jump those whoops. Not that big jump. I mean, maybe if there was a camera there, but there wasn't. You vain motherfucker, you. Come on, you're letting them get away. Don't slow down now. Plus, there's another dude on your ass. Alright, unfortunately, this is where everybody pulls away. It's cool. I feel like I'm taking these faster. I don't fucking know. Maybe not that one. I'll show a different one that I didn't talk through. That's where you gotta go. You gotta put on the gas there, dude. On the gas, hit the fucking brakes. If you're not gonna have skills, you might as well have some fucking balls, dude. Whoa. Yeah, balls. Remember, balls can get you in trouble. Remember, this shit's muddy. Don't fucking lose the rear end. You almost did it last time. There you go. There you go. You're not passing, but you're approaching keeping up. Hey, at least this course is fast enough that the wind is kind of keeping my pomade sweat out of my eyes, so I got that going for me. Alright, he's starting to pull away now. Maybe he noticed me. And he's like, there's no way a shade tree surgeon's gonna pass me. Oh, hell no. He said, hell no. Time to turn on the gas. Shade tree surgeon is nipping on my heels. I'm glad I could be an inspiration, bud. I don't know who's behind me, but he is fast. There goes Mr. Number 1. And Mr. Number 2. I'm assuming. Holy hell. Go on, guys. Don't let me hold you up. Seen hiding her hair of the dude I was trying to keep up with. Oh, well. Unless that's him. Whoa. You're fucking out of shape. Come on. Whew. Come on. Hit the brakes a little late on that one. Or maybe right on time. Me hitting the brakes late is probably when I'm supposed to hit them. If I'm not being a pussy. You're doing it! Go around those roots this time. Shit. You know how I know I've really lost some weight? When I stop slapping the triple clamp with my gut. That's how I'll know I've really lost some weight. Careful now. Getting fucking whiskey throttle on this motherfucker. Not a good place for that. My mini jump that no one's here to see. That's right. On, stand through all this shit. Don't hit your head. There are these weird double greens. They're both pointing right. Makes me think I should go around it. Come on. This guy is still in your sights. Pulling away, but he's still in your sights. Alright, you're in the roots. You're in the roots. Fucking be cool, man. This is where other people are gonna fuck up, and you're gonna be as cool as a fucking cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. Man, don't be a pussy. Just tiptoe through the tulips. Don't fall down. Man, tiptoeing through the tulips, somebody caught me. At least he was an A rider. Whoa, that did not look pretty. Both feet off the fucking pegs. Both feet off the pegs, ass off the seat. That was fucking retarded. Going Joey Mac style, what's up? That was a total goon move right there. Except he does it with skill. Mine was, whoa, mine was on accident. No. Oh, man. Oh, that little fuck up's gonna cost me a cramp in my calf from dabbing so hard. Better than falling over, I suppose. So work through the cramp. Come on. I already start to feel a certain... Oh, God damn it. That's what you get for talking. Alright, don't let it slow you down. Alright. Damn, I jabbed my leg pretty damn good on that one, but... Onward, stalwart warrior. Onward. 'Tis but a flesh wound. Alright. Oh, you were in front of that guy. That's what happens when you crash. You're blabbing too much. Ooh, ouch, that hurts when I stand up. Remember, nice and easy through here. Finger on the front brake and just keep feathering it. Josh, whether your gut's slapping the triple clamp or not, single track is your territory. So, do it. Cover the brake. Cover the brake, not the rear brake. It's narrow through here, so I gotta keep my feet in. Ooh. That's what bark busters are for. Come on. Come on. Whoa. You were cutting it close there, bud. Rubbing's racing, especially when you're rubbing trees. Ooh, yeah. Standing up. Ooh, that definitely took a hit from jabbing my leg with the handlebars. That is bruised like a motherfucker. Oh well. Part of the race, man. You had the crash. It was your fault. Go ahead and own the fucking consequences, dude. Adapt or perish. Starting to gain on this guy. I mean, I don't think he's in my class even, but I'm starting to gain on him. You can catch him. Keeping away. I do better at keeping away than I do catching. I guess because when you're keeping away, you get to block. Easier to keep away than to catch, I suppose. No wonder you like it more. Come on, he's pulling away. That's probably because he's better than you. After all, he didn't crash. So that makes sense. He is really pulling away now, Josh. Oh, man. The amount he's pulling away, he probably would have overtaken me anyway. That's all right. No tie yet. Time will make you work for it, motherfucker. Come on. Ha-ha! All right. Almost, but no cigar, Mud Pit. Made it through again, baby. Cover that clutch, cover that front brake. Just float your way through it. Cool. Maybe. Skin of my teeth. Look at these fucking trees, man. It's one thing I have managed to build some confidence in is going through trees. I mean, don't get me wrong, it still freaks me out. I'm a whole hell of a lot better than I used to be. Just trying to keep things exciting, guys. They probably would appreciate if I didn't do that again. Oh, my hand. Fucking goddamn clutch hand failure. Always makes things a little dangerous, especially when you're tight. The clutch is ever so important. You see, it's through tight, bumpy shit like this, as cool as the Recluse sounds, you know, I can't help but think it'd be like whiskey throttle central through shit like this. Like, how the fuck? I just should, like, launch the motherfucker into the first tree. Whoa. Oh, god damn it. That was fucking dumb. Does that count as a wreck? I mean, I didn't come off the bike, so there's that. But I did wreck. I don't know. Vote in the comments below. Alright. Whoa. Oh, that was almost it, boy. That would have fucking put you down for the count. Point and shoot. Just fucking squirt it, man. Squirt it and use your momentum. When you're a fat dude, you can use momentum. One of the few advantages I have going for me. Although, it can fuck you over pretty fast, too. I feel like this is the best race I've ever run. I'm not worried about jinxing myself, even though I talk about it all the time, because I don't believe in that sort of shit. Although it does seem like I've done exactly that a few times. Maybe it's because I'm not worried about jinxing myself, so I never watch what I say. Puts my odds for the jinx a little higher than most. Either Ty went by me so fast, like a bolt of greased fucking goose snot, or he hasn't passed me yet. One of the two, I'm not sure. Alright. Just because you pass that guy back, don't get fucking cocky. Maintain. My man! I fucking love that guy. Oh, not me, lady, not me. Sorry. At least I'm still only getting passed by A riders. Or lapped by A riders. I got lapped by a lot of people in my class too, don't you worry. Whoa. Yeah, old shadetree ain't gonna do that. You're gonna make his highlight video. Shit. That's what happens when you go in hot and you can't see where the fuck you're going. Remember, the fucking dust, dude. The GoPro doesn't pick up dust well. Promise you, I could not see what the fuck was in front of me. Excuses, excuses, excuses. Although I'm okay crashing a little more this race than I was the last race, because I'll tell you, definitely trying to push it harder in this one. Isn't that how you make it into someone's highlight reel? You ate so much of their roost that you fucking crashed. You're welcome, dude. You're welcome. Come on. I'm gonna make up some time here. Ty is gonna be hot on your fucking tail. And you ain't gonna keep ahead of him taking turns like that. Ho! Man, I fucking almost lost it, but I continued the turn. That's a first for me. Usually when I almost lose it like that, that's it. The whole turn is fucking blown. And I just fucking teeter-totter my way through it. Whoa! Oh, I did it again. All right. I'm gonna say right now, this is the best I've ever ridden a dirt bike. Hands down. Period. This is the best I've ever done. Again, I ain't saying it's good, but this is the best old shadetree surgeon has ever done. 100%. Ouch. And a little tap on the head to remind you that you ain't cool yet. Keep on moving. Oh, you bastard. I think I used that move on him earlier, so turnabout's fair play. Come on. Well, this dude that you've passed a couple times has passed you back every time. Suffice to say, he's a faster rider than you are, but still fun to try to keep up. Maybe I can pass this guy. Oh! Ouch! Oh! Well, I have been hitting that thing with my belly. I've been hitting the triple tree with my stomach and my fucking chest protector, which goes over my stomach. I just hit right above the old twig and berries that time, and that did not feel good. That is going to leave a big old bruise that would be hard to explain later. You can catch this guy without crashing. Well, of course, you crash, you ain't catching fucking nobody. shit. Oh. I could have gone for the pass there. I didn't. Don't be afraid to go for the pass, dude. It's the whole reason you're fucking racing is to try to win. There he goes. Ah, that was the better line after all. Ah, shit. Double green there. You ain't catching nobody like that. Oh, man. I was like, why is he going in there? Now you know why. Oh. All right. Still good, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on. Finish strong. Still alive. Oh. Man, they're gone now. That's it. I lost your chance. Oh well. Oh fucking well. That's racing, huh? You tried for it, you pushed the limit, and you paid the price. You fucking crashed. How the fuck you ever gonna know what the limit is if you don't find it every once in a while, huh? Yeah, those boys are gone now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be like the littlest bit upset if I did this whole race feeling like I went faster than I ever have and I come in dead last. I mean, I don't think that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Alright. Don't wreck again in here. Get through these fucking roots. That's where you ate it last time. I said to keep it straight, so try to fucking keep it straight, dude. Whoa, that was almost it for old Shadetree. Whew, that back end, stepping out hard. Alright, man. Keep sharpened here. This is your area, if you let it be. Nice and easy. Feather the front brake. Float through the trees. It's okay if you give them a little love tap now and then. Just lets you know how close you can get. Oh man. Come on. That was a stupid mistake you get for letting someone else by you. I mean, yes, he was faster than me. He needed to get by me, but I could have let him get by. He had enough room instead of pulling off to the side. Oh well. Oh well. Whoa. I kissed that one with my boot. I did not want my last lap to be my slowest. I wanted my last lap to be my fastest. Oh well. Want. If you wanted it to be your fastest, you should have made it your fastest. Instead, you crashed. Did shit like that. I'm like blowing every corner now. Starting to get tired. It's okay. Tired happens. Just don't get too fucking sloppy. B guys are starting to pass me. That means Tyler's on his way. Make him work a little harder for it. All right. Haha. Might have had to paddle, but my ass went through it. All right. Ty's got to be coming up on me soon. Remember, with these routes, you want more momentum than raw power when you're going up hills. Means you need your speed before you... God damn it. Means you need your speed before you hit the hill. As I lose time to keep the GoPro going. I know a lot of people don't like that. I focus on racing, forget about the GoPro, but guys, I am doing both. I care a lot about documenting this. Trust me, I'd still race even if the GoPro was broken or it didn't work or they wouldn't let me wear it. Racing is more important than the documentation, but trust me, I care a lot about documenting this, so it is what it is. Holy moly. Falling apart, come on. At least there's no one at the top to run into this time. Now there's no one to target fixate on, I can make it up just fine. Come on. This is going to be your slowest lap, I know it. God damn it. Really wanted to finish strong. That's a bummer. Ah. Give a little kiss on the way through. It's a little bark buster affection. Maybe they'll let you do a fourth lap. God, I would love to be fast enough to do a fourth lap. Even though my body right now is telling me, you fucking idiot. You want to do another round of this shit? You fucking moron. What are you, crazy? Yeah, I guess so. I like to do a fourth lap, especially just because that crash. I'm not very fond of how my third lap turned out. Man, that guy got by clean. Some motherfucker knows what he's doing. Whoa. You don't know what you're doing, so be careful. Oh, come on, Josh. Finish strong, man. Get that fourth lap if you can. Are we done? My brother, every time. I freaking love you, dude. You're fucking amazing.
Just right there.
What's Jess is?
Just loop right around and go park by the quad.
Whew.
You want to walk over? I'll get your bike.
No, I'll go over there. Thank you, Amber. Thanks for coming out there and yelling, dude. That was fucking awesome. I was like, fuck yeah, dude. You're coming out right yelling. I'm gonna put that on camera, dude. Coming out yelling like a fucking like a great wild white swamp ape out of the woods. Alright, I gotta get off this bike because when I pull my ass off, it's gonna feel like pulling a piece of duct tape off my gooch. Oh, ow. Oh, these worked, sort of. I mean, it's not as bad as it was last time. At least it's not bleeding.
Oh. That's a good chunk of steel. That does help?
I guess. I mean, last time it was actually bleeding, so
Yeah.
this time it's not. Well, there's blood underneath that one.
Wait.
Whatever. Just gotta toughen up. I bartend for a living. I got soft lady hands, alright? Very gentle. Alright, I hear Grim's a pro at riding the quad now. Let's see it. Put your money where your mouth is. Now he's gonna fall off. Wow. He's like a show dog. Is that how he rides? That's freaking awesome. Thank you, Ty.
Babe, I'll be right back.
Oh my god, he's never been on a quad, believe it or not. That's freaking funny. He's just hanging out like he's been doing it his whole life. I got my butt kicked on that one, but felt good. That was a ass beating I enjoyed. Haven't seen my times yet, but I feel good. Feel real good about that one. Look at him go. Make sure to go check out Jessica's channel. She's been making videos, at least 2 or 3 videos a week. Her channel's called The Doghouse. I know a bunch of you guys are following it already because she took Grim out here and there was a bunch of people that were going like, oh, Shade, you surgeon. Oh, wait, Jessica and Grim's here? I watch The Doghouse all the time. Thank you, Amber.